Hi guys, good morning. Samahan niyo ako mag-morning walk here in Batad. So, kung hindi ka morning person like me, dito may iba yung sleeping routine mo. Makakatulog ka ng maaga at the same time gigising ka din ng maaga dahil sa ganda ng view dito. Napaka worth it makita ang ganda ng Batad. Hoy, don't fight! Hey! We're here in one of the most breathtaking places in the Philippines, the Batad Rice Terraces in Ifugao. The Batad Rice Terraces are a 2,000-year-old UNESCO World Heritage Site located in the municipality of Banawe, Ifugao. Often called the Eighth Wonder of the World, they are famous for their unique amphitheater-like formation carved into the mountainside by the ancestors of the indigenous Ifugao people using only hand tools. Dito, ito yung transient namin. Diyan kami nakastay while in Batad. So, iniintay ko sumilip ang asawa ko dyan. Di nga alam na sa kabilang bundok na ako. So, hindi ko siya matawagan kasi wala ditong phone signals. Tulog pa kasi siya dyan. So, iniintay ko siyang gumising at sumilip sa bintana para makita niyang nasa kabilang bundok ako. So, ayan, giintay ako. Pero wala talaga, hindi siya morning person kahit saan siya dalhin. Just look at this view behind me. These terraces were carved into the mountains by the Ifugao ancestors more than 2,000 years ago using simple tools and traditional knowledge passed down through generations. Imagine that, no modern machines, just pure human effort and ingenuity. Ay! Hindi naman nakakapagod ang pag-akyat baba dito sa Batad. Hihingalin ka lang, hingal aso, and basagan ng tukod. Dito, pabalik na ako ng transient after ng morning walk kasi tanghali na dyan. So, gigisingin ko ng asawa ko para kumain na. Ito yung transient namin. Dito, almost lunchtime na. So, niyaya ko munang mag-walk saglit ang asawa ko. Pero pagbaba dito, almost 30 minutes bago ka makababa. And then, syempre, hagdan-hagdan siya. So, pag umakyat ka, papuntang transient namin, 1 oras pa kasi. Every step mo, kailangan mo magpahinga. What makes Batad extra special is its amphitheater-like shape. The terraces wrap around the mountains like giant steps, creating a stunning landscape that feels almost unreal. Every layer you see here is still used by local farmers today to grow rice the traditional way. Getting here isn't the easiest. You actually have to hike to reach the village. But trust me, the journey is absolutely worth it. Along the way, you'll see incredible mountain views, meet friendly locals, and experience the peaceful life in the highlands of Ifugao.
Massage muna tayo bago tayo mag-dinner. So, sana after dinner ulit, para diretso tulog na.
Excuse lang sa usapan namin dito kasi nagpa-schedule kami ng masahe. So, para after nung trekking and then makapag-relax sa gabi.
Paano yung libag-libag mo maano, ma-scrub nila?
Wala naman ako libag-libag eh. Hindi naman ako lilibagin basta eh. Naligo na ako kahapon eh.
Kala ko may naglalakad sa likod.
Shit, nag-video ko pala.
Yeah.
Nare-record na sabi ko, patungan mo na ng music. Dadan si Mano. Dadan si Mano.
So, eto na. Ito yung view ng transient namin kung saan kami naka-stay. Dito kay Batad Pension and Restaurant. So, ito yung view sa loob ng kwarto namin. As you can see here, yan, meron silang kettle dito. Pwede kang mag-coffee dyan every morning. And then, ito yung CR nila. Pag umupo ka dyan, nakaka-relax kasi parang nakasauna rin yung puwet mo. Ayan, ito yung view. So if you love nature, culture, and adventure, Batad should definitely be on your travel bucket list. So yun lang.